of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now I could into this video. So and this device comes with a myriad of specs. So we know it has, which means better gaming performance for us. It can come with either 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, and you've got UFS 3.0 storage, so which means your games are read pretty fast. Now, dock 5 applications into your RAM storage. So what this simply means is that, hey, you can pick any application you want. In our case, lock those games in. So even if we clear our memory storage or we drop our phone tonight and wake up the next day, we still jump back into the game directly. There's no loading. It's a really quick process. You might have to connect to the server, but the game is still there in the background. When you're playing, this is a great feature that I think works really well. Now, the other thing about the S20 Ultra, it's got a 6.9 inch display. It is a 120 hertz display, and that is at 1080p. Now, Pubg Mobile is what I play the most. That feels really solid. It feels like you're actually using controls. Your fingers glide really well on the screen, and it doesn't feel sticky. You know, that 240 hertz touch sampling.
I agree. Really bad. Yeah, catch you later, amigo. You just a liability, CJ. The best of. Why you bother coming back? I'm a veterano, ese no joke.
20 frames per second. Not the games, the apps do, just to clarify things. It's just, remember, the games are being streamed onto your phone, whether it's being xCloud or Stadia. So the apps do support 120 frames per second, but again, it's not the game. Just something I wanted to show you guys because it was quite interesting to see that here. Now, which I like, although there's no case for it, but that works, and that worked when I was using it for xCloud. Then you have, of course, the Stadia controller, and that works via USB connectivity. And finally, the GLAP or the G-Play controller, which was for the S10. That works well. That actually fits, even though it's a 6.9-inch device, and the camera hump also still rests in there, so that will work. All the buttons and controls work well. So if you're looking for a controller, those are some of the options I think work well with this device.